Hi, my name is Teacher Carl, and I will be your teacher for health education for the school year 2021. Please pay attention and listen carefully. Health education for grade 7, Unit 1, Nervous System. Before we discuss our main topic, we are going to read first your vocabulary. Please read the words 3 times and read the meaning inside as well. Nervous system, nervous system, nervous system. Brain, brain, brain. Spinal cord, spinal cord, spinal cord. Glands, glands, glands. Coordinates, coordinates, coordinates. Please remember those words because we are going to use that one in our discussion. Now let's go to your main topic, that is nervous system. As you can see in the picture, those are the example of nervous system. And when we say nervous system, it is a part of an animal's body that coordinates action of the animal and transmit signals between different parts of its body. Let's see an example of a nervous system. As you can see in the picture, there are signals that coming from our hands going to our brain. So that is the nervous system. Now let's learn about the two parts of nervous system. So we have number 1, we have the central nervous system, which is the CNS. And the next one is we have the peripheral nervous system, which is the PNS. As you can see in the picture on your right side. So as we can see here, this is the example of CNS. And this one is the example of the PNS. Okay, so let's move on. So before we go to the CNS, let's learn first what is a neuron. So if we say neuron, it is the basic unit in the nervous system. So the neuron looks like this. Again, neuron is the basic unit in the nervous system. So let's start one by one with the parts of our nervous system. So the first part is the central nervous system, or the CNS. If we say CNS or central nervous system, it is the largest part in our nervous system, and it includes the brain and the spinal cord. So it is the largest part in our nervous system and includes our brain and spinal cord. The CNS is where all information from the sense is sent and where reflexes and action are coordinates. So that is the central nervous system. Next one is we have the peripheral nervous system, or the PNS. So the PNS is made of 2 parts. We have the somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. As you can see in the picture, the blue ones are the peripheral nervous system. So these are the nerves outside of the brain and the spinal cords. So we have the one part of peripheral nervous system is the somatic nervous system. If we say somatic nervous system, it is consist of the peripheral nerve fiber that picks sensory information or sensory from the peripheral or distant organs away from the brain and carry them to the CNS. Number 2, autonomic nervous system. It is a system controls the nerves of the inner of the body on which human beings have no control. So that is the somatic and autonomic nervous system. Hope you understand the lesson. Now let's proceed to your activity. Answer the question. Question number 1. It is a part of an animal body that coordinates action of the animal and transmits signal between different parts of its body. What is the answer? Very good. The correct answer is nervous system. Now let's proceed to question number 2. It is a part of the nervous system that includes the brain and the spinal cord. So what part of nervous system is that? We have two parts. We have the CNS and the PNS. So which one is a part of the nervous system that includes the brain and the spinal cord? Very good. It is the central nervous system. Question number 3. It is the basic unit in the nervous system. What is the answer? Very good. The answer is neuron. Now, next question. Question number 4. It controls the nerves of the inner body in which human beings have no conscious control. Again, it controls the nerve of the inner body in which human beings have no conscious control. What is that? Is it somatic or autonomic nervous system? Very good. It is autonomic nervous system. Now let's go to your final question. Question number 5. It consists of peripheral nerves fibers that pick up sensory information and carry them to the CNS. So what is that? It is somatic or autonomic? Very good. The correct answer is somatic nervous system. So that's all my presentation. Before we end the video, we are going to have a short review of our lesson. So today's lesson we have learned about the nervous system, which are the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. In the central nervous system, it includes the brain and the spinal cord. And in the peripheral nervous system, we have two parts. Those are the somatic nervous system and autonomic nervous system. So that ends my video. Hope you have learned a lot and see you next time.